One of my academic interests, and I guess technically one of my academic professions, is archaeology and anthropology in general, right? I wasn't very smart in math, so I did the next best thing. And thank God I did. But anyways, reading and studying a lot of these things, you realize that for like 100,000 years, the only thing these people have been doing, besides a couple of exceptions, right, is going around different places and like murdering each other, right? And stealing each other's shit. That's a lie, actually. That's number two. Number one is killing themselves and robbing each other's shit, right? And I always wondered why, right? And I think I've put it together in a way that synchronizes a lot of my other thoughts. And I would like to share it with you. Right, the nature of this reality the state of our system, of our reality at this point, there is a thing called scarcity, right? There's a fundamental reality in where you will have a painful death of all forms, right? If you don't have certain things, right? And this state, right? In our modern, I'm just gonna sort of fast forward and zoom in to how I see our society, right? In this state, right? This state is a universal state as it is right now. So it's found in all layers of interactions, right? No matter how abstract you can make it, which is what we currently are doing right now. We have a super abstract like system for like the single agent and like the actual like acquisition of materials, right? Like you're paying with like paper that represents some random bullshit, right? But the concept, the state is universal throughout that like layers, throughout those relationships, right? You can't really abstract it away, right? Right? So what I've realized is that there is a structure that regulates the acquisition of this material, right? And all the humans, right, are immigrating in this structure towards the center of it, right? Or towards what they see the center of it. And this is through all abstractions, right? Like, we literally have immigrants from, right? Because this structure, right, it's also universal through all countries, right? There's like, I'm not gonna get into like the exploitation of the South, right? But that is like a byproduct of this system, right? You literally have people physically immigrating to get closer to this perceived, right? And then you have the people like socially and psychologically, right, moving towards this, right? And right now it's like paper money and like commodification, right? Before it could have been like the church or the God or the king or like the knowledge of a clan, you know, whatever regulated that thing, right? So that's sort of like, that's the state, right? That's how we're all oriented towards, right? And that has been the pattern for 100,000 years, right? And like one of the solidifying parts is that because our bodies need energy, the mental, like if you're really close to the proximity, right? Mental migration, right? Like a mental migration of trying to gather more wealth near like a large source of like of like some faucet, right? Is much easier than physically, right? So most of these humans just trick themselves into like, oh, nah, like this is normal. Like I belong here. This is normal. This is things are, right? And they become hostile, right? Also, other people from other places literally come and try to murder these people too. If it's like, you know, the complexity is infinite, right? But it is literally 100,000 years of these people, son. Letting reality make them their fucking bitch, son. Except for like, there's been like a couple 100,000 like crazy motherfuckers who like, nah. Actually, that's not how things are, right? But we haven't solved that problem. That problem has not been solved. All I've seen, and I've seen these, all I see these motherfuckers is complaining, fucking complaining. They complain about these people do this, or these people do that, or it's so fucking pathetic. It is disgusting. It fucking disgusts me, right? And the worst thing, right? The worst thing is that this has grown for so fucking long, right? That now there is almost no resource. Like we're hitting a point that like exponentially, we will exponentially just devour all resources. And then we all die. Plus these other things, like we're pollution, oh God. I mean, I don't have to tell you. You literally look at a map, you're like, oh, the whole forest is gone. Oh God, the whole lake, it's gone. Oh God, it's gone. Like 20 years, it's gone. That other one, it's gone. You finished high school, oh, it's gone. And what are they do? They're just complaining. And doing all sorts of evil shit. Just stupid oh Lord. Oh Lord, have mercy on what I'm gonna say, son. I fucking hate them. I hate all of these motherfuckers. I hate myself especially. Pathetic. 100,000 years of fucking bullshit. But we cannot let this planet die.